Time Warping for Beginners by Baron Friedrich von Berger. The modern English translation by the Time Warping Society, with honor and reference to the captain's version. Foreword by Horace Viator. Cartographers Martin Waldseemüller, Matthias Ringman, and Diego Ribeiro. Curated and transcribed by Sean Christopher Mallinger. Curator and Transcriber's Note. I first became acquainted with the book Time Warping for Beginners when I saw it briefly mentioned in another work. At that time, I paid little attention to it as the work in which it was described was incomplete and unpublished. Yet, for some reason or another, Time Warping for Beginners remained at the back of my mind. Years later, I came into possession of an actual copy of the book and immediately knew I must make it available to others. I hope your experience with it will be as rewarding for you as it was for me. May your past be redeemed and your present and future be blessed. My contribution to this work is dedicated to the one who is, who was, and who is to come, and to Lynn, Connor, Taylor, and Summer, and lastly, to all those who love or need an adventure. Sean Christopher Mallinger, 2018 AD.